Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I want to apologize to you so bad. I failed you. I failed you because we're at February, the end of the month, and I'm just now sharing with you our Unity Stamp Kit of the month for 2026 February. It's called A Gentle Plot Twist. The good thing is, just because I am showing you this on the last day of February does not mean you can't go to Unity and buy it and use it because none of this says February, right? None of it. This little cat is cute. So let's go ahead and look at this really quickly. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I had saw it. I looked over there, and I think, well, I don't check my mail as often as I need to. That's really the issue. But this is the kit of the month for February 2026. A gentle plot twist is what it's called. And we had this lady sitting on the beach. It's a few of these images that we have had in the past with a girl with her back to us sitting there. So this could be a redesign. We had these sheep, two little sheep. We had this cute little kitty cat sniffing flowers. I already have an idea what I want to do with this one. I want to try to do some more funky backgrounds and just put the stamp on top of it. So we'll see. And this is nice. I'm not a big St. Patrick's Day person, but I have ideas for this as well. And then we have this little bird. Now, I want to say along the lines of kits, these images is only five. One, two, three, four, five. That is not what I'm used to. That is crazy. You get five images. That is crazy. And you get a bunch of sentiments. Peekaboo. Will you look at that? You've been on my mind. You've been on our minds. We just came for cake. Hope your day is extraordinary. You're so lucky. So very lucky to know you. May luck find you when you need it. You are a gift I've never taken for granted. You are perfectly lovely. Happy St. Patrick's Day. When in doubt, bring your own sunshine. That is nice. I love that. There will be brighter days ahead. Rain makes room for things to bloom. Yes, my soul finds rest in God. My hope finds comes from him. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. These are two Bible scriptures, Isaiah 43 and 2 and Psalm 62 and 5, and sitting with you in spirit. So this is more of a sympathy card. These are sympathy pieces. This is like, let's get your day better. And then, of course, it's St. Patrick's Day. And then these two kind of can be for, hey, I haven't seen you in a while. And then this is a birthday card. None of these are snoozes in my opinion, but if I could pick which one I wanted to buy, I would skip this and probably just buy maybe the bird solo because they sell each one of these separately now. So yeah, I would. This is not a good kit in my opinion. It's pretty, don't get me wrong. The images are beautiful and gorgeous, but yeah. So layers of luck. This is what they did with it. So they took some of the stamps and cut them. They stamped it out and then they pieced it together. It looks like. And then this kitty cat. And this is what I would do with this image, which is put it in a circle, like I said, and then do some rainbow coloring because your day is extraordinary. Hope your day is extraordinary. I just feel like that speaks burst of colors to me. But this is cute how they did it. Yeah, maybe a little fish or something on the side. And then let's see the free thing we got. And then we'll talk about the stamp size. Not everything can be an amazing thing. So they gave us two poppers in here. These are like jiggly pieces. Is that how you say it? No. Um, Wobbles. Wobbles is what it's called. So we got an envelope. I don't think we ever got an envelope. We got a card layer and piece, and then we got some beautiful tags. These are really pretty. Butterfly flower, pretty bloom, beautiful. These tags are gorgeous. And then we have some sayings from people. So this would be good to create, not tags, mixed media tag. So not using this tag, but another one. So let's see. Spring awakens the golden seas and meadows with her warm heads. Gustav Felix. Gustav. Gustave. He looks very interesting. Um, yeah. Some companies used to allow where you can snooze one if you're in the subscribers club or whatever. You have subscriptions. I have two subscriptions that I'm a part of, and I can't do that. And the stamps are pretty decent size. Like this one is this big. The four leaf clover is the only one that's the biggest one, of course. So the four leaf clover, this girl isn't even that big. So the stamps aren't huge either. It's one sheet of stuff, but it's not like overwhelmingly like it. They've had better ones. I'm trying to see if I can find one that I can easily grab and answers. No. Let me see. No, I can't easily grab any of them. But yeah, this is the kit of the month for February 2026. A gentle plot twist. I do apologize for posting it so late. I want to say I got it in the mail maybe last week. I don't know. February has gone by, so it could have been 2 weeks ago. Anyway, I hope that you have a great rest of your day. I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.